we starting? Oh, there we go. Good morning, boys and girls. Not now. I don't know if you can see any of this. Alright, let's do some drawing and some writing. Okay. I thought it'd be easiest just to do it this way. No. Alright, so we got our magical pen here. Alright, let's do some writing. Let's write the letters of the alphabet. Everyone, follow me. If you want to, you can trace on your tablet or your phone. You can trace after me. We're going to do A, okay? A. Very good. And then little a. So we have big A and little a. Big, little, okay? Oops, that's way too big. There we go. Big A and little a. Okay, now let's do some B. Okay, so we go down, just like this, down, one circle, two. Now this looks pretty messy, so let's clean this up a bit. It's okay to write and to erase. B and little b. So down and big circle like that. Remember, if you want to make a circle, just do this, okay? And then you'll get really good at making circles. So just like with this B, all you got to do is that. Down, and then like that. And if you do this, then you got music. Whee! Oh, that's pretty cool, music. Okay. A, B, C. So C is like that. D. Very good. E. Okay, E. F. Very good. G. Let's solid that corner out a little bit. G. Very good. G. Very nice. And so eventually what you want to do is you want to take this, after you practice a lot, then you're just going to do one solid G. And then it becomes like that. Much better. So you want to practice. If you want to get good at writing, maybe it's best for you to practice like this. Just go left and right, scratch, scratch, scratch. I call it scratching. Just keep scratching in, scratching in, scratching in, and scratching in. With curves, you'll have to be a little more loose. Just go wee, 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 like that. It's going to look a little messy, but then you'll be able to do that very easily. Scratch, scratch, scratch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J for Jordan, Teacher Jordan. J, J. Alright, very good, everyone. Now let's put a number to each of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I did this, 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letters. Okay, let's see. How about 2, 4, 6? Well, we know that 2 is B, and it's the first one. The first one is big. Big B, big B, big B. And the rest of them are going to be small. Okay? So what's 4? 4 is D. Very good, everyone. B, D, and then what was 6? Do you remember? F. Very good. So F is going to be small. B, D, F. These are ways you can play with numbers if you want to remember them. I need a bigger one. Now I need a smaller one. Did you know that you can use these different... I hope you can see my brush. You can use these different brushes for painting. You see that? Wow, it's so light and dark. Ooh. You like that? So if you want, you can make a face. A face, you can go, here's 2 eyes, and then the nose. Give myself some more space. And then you have the face, right? And this part's darker. Let's see, and then this part's a little dark too, so we have that. And then we have, let's see, let's change the color. We can make this part really, let's make the nose kind of bright. Yeah, we have a bright nose. Everyone say nose. Very good. And then you have the dark eyes, but it's getting a little bit brighter. Very good. And let's see, you're going to have the forehead. It's going to be much brighter. Bright forehead, bright forehead, bright forehead. Very good. And then you're going to have the lips. Will be right here. And now as you can see, we're kind of drawing a little bit of a face. And this is way too big. See, there's the nose. You can see the nose now? And let's see, I want to go back to this color. And it's not telling me what it is. Ah, now see, now this part of the nose is darker and this part is lighter. Oops, a little bit higher. There we go. See, that's how you can start drawing a face. Anyway, let's go back to whoop, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Alright, let's go back to 3. Oh, my setting is always on 3. It's hard to do this in tablet mode. Alright, awesome. Oh, and the color needs to be full black. For those of you who are wondering, this is just regular. This is just Photoshop. Photoshop. Hi. I am teacher Jordan. 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 Alright, so that's my fun for today. I don't know, this is fun. So let's do some shapes. Since we're already here in the magical world of Photoshop, let's go ahead and do some shapes. So we got, what is this one? Very good, triangle. You don't want to do black anymore? Okay, that's fine. We can change the color to, what color do you like? Let's use swatches. I like swatches. Okay, we'll use this color. Alright, so this color is, or I'm sorry, this shape is circle. Very good, everyone. Circle. Okay. And square. It's a square because if you cut it in half, it makes two perfect triangles. Also, they're all the same, so that's a square. And then a rectangle is like this. If you cut the rectangle in half, it makes a very big triangle, like a sandwich. Alright, so we got circle and square and triangle. Let's see, we also got a trapezoid. I did triangle, yeah. Circle, square, triangle, trapezoid. And we can have a star. There's a couple ways to do the star. I'm really bad at that. That doesn't look good. Here's a line. Here's a heart. But a heart is more like this color, right? Heart. Alright, so this page is now messy, so I'm going to get rid of it. Alright, nice clean page. Heart. Okay, very good. Let's see, can you draw a... I know I'm forgetting a shape. Oh, let's do a diamond. Here's a diamond. This is also a diamond. Really, a diamond is just a square. If you're smart, you're going to see that it's just a square. But a diamond is kind of like this. These shapes are diamonds. Let's see, you like that color? Alright, so we got heart, circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and let's do hexagon. These are the bees. Bees like this shape. Bees love this shape. It's a hexagon because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 6. That's a hexagon. And then the stop sign is what? 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. An octagon has 8 sides. So these are some different shapes that you can draw, and there's one more, a pentagon. Pentagon, like in baseball. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. What about a square? Remember the square? How many sides does a square or a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And a triangle. A triangle is 三角形, right? So it's 1, 2, 3. Alright, everyone, that's pretty cool. So that's all the time I have for today. These are shapes, numbers, and letters of the alphabet. Oh, I guess let's go over numbers again too. 1, let's use a different color. How about, let's use a pretty green. Maybe this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. However, 10 uses this funny number, so we're going to learn this one too. This one is 0. These are the numbers. You can count these numbers with your hand. Remember 1, 2, 3. You can do all those with your hand. Alright everyone, have a good snack and eat something really tasty. Bye-bye.